The church today is not in telling the truth. Even noma ngabe siyazondwa. The preachers today, they are not prepared to suffer for the truth. We are battling between the two opinions. Ubuzalwane has been so cheapened ngalendlela ukuthi a witch and a wizard will go to bewitch people ebusuku, athakathe ebusuku, in the morning ayenkonzweni. Today we have people who claim to be Christians who bahamba bayothwasa, baphinde futhi bashumayele, baphinde futhi bacule, baphinde futhi bakhose. Before uNkulunkulu angaziwa ngokufanele, kumele ku confrontwe ukukhonzwa kwezithombe, ukucutshwa kukaNkulunkulu. Kudingeka a prophetic voice, someone who is able to speak the mind of God currently, ukuchallenge what is happening, ukuchallenge into abantu abayemukela njengento elungile ngoba yenziwa abantu abahloniphekile, yenziwa abantu abadumile, yenziwa abantu who claim to be servants of God. There has to be deliverance from this idolatry. Kumele kube khona ukukhululwa kwabantu ababanjwe imimoya engcolisa ithempeli likaNkulunkulu, which is their bodies. Kumele umhlaba ube delivered from the curses akhona emhlabathini. Someone has to challenge lenkolo okuthiwa inkolo yesintu. Umuntu osindisiwe akawahlabela amadlozi. Yebo, umuntu osindisiwe akasifaki isiphandle. Umuntu osindisiwe akayi nakulezi izinto ezinga embrace uNkulunkulu. Namhlanje abantu abaningi abakholwayo kuyaye konke kulungile. Someone has to die for what they believe. Someone has to be hated for lento ayikholwayo neyiqiniso. Demons need to be cast out. Izangoma kumele iphenduke. Inyanga kumele iphenduke. Awukwazi ukuba isangoma esindisiwe. Awukwazi ukuba umfundisi oyisangoma. Akuhambi kanjalo.
Thank you.